Hey, I've been in a little bit of a posting slump. Like, I don't really know what to make a video about, and I'm just kind of stuck. Because of that, I went through like every video I have on my phone from this month, and I am going to just make some like mini vlog. My brother was in town a few weeks ago, and we spent the day driving down the coast. We started in Long Beach and we ended in Laguna, and it was really fun. I took little video clips along the way, but nothing like super vlog-like. This isn't an effort to just post more and get more content out there. If this isn't your style, I totally understand. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.